So now let's see how we can install the full Java development environment inside of our system. Now in order to do that, we need two files. One is JDK and another is an IDE. So let's download the JDK, that is Java Development Kit. And in the search results, you will see a link called Java Downloads. Click on that and you should go to here. You can download Java 20 version, JDK 20 version, but I'm going to use the 17 version because 17 is the long-term support version, so that's why I'm going to use that. Let's go to Windows, then go to 64-bit installer and click on this link. It will download a file, and after that just install it. Now let me click on this. The download will start immediately. So this is the folder for my JDK download. Okay, start download, and the download has started. Now I'm going to the folder in which it is stored, D drive, and here you see the JDK 17. Just double click on it and then the installer will start installing. It will ask you to install in the default location, just don't change it. Next. Now you can see that Java SE development kit has successfully installed. Close this window, hit Windows key on your keyboard and search for environment variables. Now click on it, you will open up this. Now just click on this environment variables. Now here you will see that it has created Java home like this. If you don't see that, just click on new and variable name Java home, and variable value will be the browse directory. Go to the this PC, C drive, program files, Java, and that's it. This is the folder. Okay, now you see that Java home has been added. Just click on OK and you are good to go. So what is the benefit of this step is that our system recognizes that we are using the JDK version 17.0.7. So in order to confirm that, open cmd command prompt. Now just type Java, in small case, Java dash dash version, and you will see that 17.0.7 LTS version is shown here. So that means our JDK has installed successfully, and whatever ID we are going to use, it will recognize the installation of our JDK. Okay, now let me close this window and go to your browser, click on new tab, and I'm going to install an IDE. So my choice for the IDE will be IntelliJ IDEA. Just type IntelliJ IDEA, click on this link. Now accept all, download, and here you see two versions. One is Ultimate Edition and another one is Community Edition. Now the Community Edition is free and open source, and it has so much features which enables you to develop your programs in Java and also for Kotlin as well. So that's why this Community Edition is good. Otherwise you can pay for the software using the Ultimate Edition, so we are not going to use that. I'm going to download the Community Edition, the latest one. I'm using Windows, so obviously I'm going to install it for the Windows. If you are using any other operating system like Mac OS or Linux, then go for it, but I'm going to install it for Windows. Just click on this download button and the installer will start downloading like this. So let me start download. Now the program has downloaded, so click on this open. Just minimize this window, or you can double click on the installer file. Next, now I'm going to install it in the default location, that is C program files JetBrains. So next, okay, create desktop shortcut, yes, I want that. Update, yes. Then I will add this everything, select everything. I selected everything. You can also not check all these things, just only check the .java extension, but I am checking everything associated files. That will help you in using this community edition. Now click on next, install. Notice that shortcut appears in our desktop. Just select the I want to manually reboot later, then hit finish. Okay, after that you are going to restart your PC or laptop, and I will see you soon. Now that you have restarted your PC or laptop, now let's open up our IDE. Double click on this shortcut and it opens up. Don't send, wait for a while. Now it opens up, so close this. So now I'm going to use the new UI feature that is implemented in IntelliJ IDEA. Now go to your customize button right here, and here go to all settings, and you go to new UI, enable new UI, apply, and then restart your IntelliJ IDEA again. Okay, it will open up, just wait a while. Okay, now let's go here, new project, click on it. Now it will detect the JDK, so I'm going to name it as my first project and select Java, then IntelliJ. Now your IDE will recognize the installed version, so add sample code. Okay, I want to change the location to my D drive. Okay, here it will create the project. Okay, here always download automatically. Just maximize this window, minimize this, and you see that the font size is so small. So in order to increase that, just go to this settings, go to here settings, and I'm going to change the font. Go to editor, font, I want to change it to Roboto Mono, which I have installed it, and I'm going to set it at 24 points, then apply. Okay, now I think it is fine. Now the indexing process started, so wait for a while. After that we can run this code. So what I'm going to do now is go to this settings again, and I'm going to go with the general section here and change font size with control plus mouse wheel. So we can do that as well. That means we can, if you hold control and mouse wheel, then the font size will change. Okay, this is the full setup. So now our indexing has been done. So now I'm going to run our main method, which will print, I think, the value of I each time. Okay, this is the code and it has been printed. So nice. Minimize this and we are good to go. So this is the full installation of our Java environment. In the next video, we will start real coding. Bye bye.